Hello viewers, I have been discussing some question papers related to UGC NET paper 1, and today we have taken another question paper of previous year. Let's try to discuss it. Number 1 question is, breakdown in verbal communication is described as what? Short circuit, contradiction, unevenness, entropy. So correct answer will be breakdown in verbal communication is described as entropy. It is called entropy. Second question, it says the telephone model of communication was first developed in the area of what? Technological theory, dispersion theory, minimal effects theory, information theory. The telephone model of communication was first developed in the area of technological theory, dispersion theory, minimal effects theory, information theory. Correct answer will be number D, that is information theory. Okay. Information theory is the right answer. Number 3 is saying the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2013 has been conferred on Karan Johar, Amir Khan, Asa Bhosle, Guljar. So correct answer will be, you all know, Guljar Saheb. Number 4, photographs are not easy to what? Publish, secure, decode, change. Correct answer will be photographs are not easy to decode. You cannot decode it effortlessly. Number 5, the grains that appear on a television set when operated are also referred to as what? Sparks, green dots, snow, raindrops. Sparks, green dots, snow, raindrops. Correct answer will be the grains that appear on a television set when drop are also referred to as snow. Number 6, in a circular communication, the encoder becomes a decoder when there is noise, audience, criticality, feedback. It will be number D. In a circular communication, the encoder becomes a decoder when there is feedback. Number 7, in a post office, stamp of 3 different denominations of 7 rupees, 8 rupees and 10 rupees are available. The exact amount for which one cannot buy stamp is what? 19, 20, 23, 29. So correct answer will be number A, that is 19. Number 8, in certain coding method, the word question, question, is encoded as domestic, domestic. In this coding, what is the code word for the word response, response? So the correct answer will be C, omesicem. Here I would like to say one thing that I often do, and that is I try my best to provide you the correct answer, but still it may happen that I might have told you the wrong answer. It may happen, so please double check it, cross verify it. Okay, now let's move on to our next question, 9. If the series 4, 5, 8, 13, 14, 17, 22 ... is continued in the same pattern, which one of the following is not a term of this series? 31, 32, 33, 35. Number C will be correct answer. 33 will not be a part of it. 10. Complete the series BB, FE, II, ML, PP, then what? By choosing one of the following option given: TS, ST, RS, SR. So correct answer will be TS. Number 11 says, a man started walking from his house towards south. After walking 6 km, he turned to his left and walked 5 km. Then he walked further 3 km after turning left. He then turned to his left and continued his walk for 9 km. How far is he away from his house? 3 km, 4 km, 5 km, 6 km. So correct answer will be number C. He is 5 km away from his house. Next, one writes all numbers from 50 to 99 without the digits 2 and 7. How many numbers have been written down? 12, 32, 36, 40, 38. Correct answer will be A. There will be 32. 13 is saying if a large diamond is cut up into little bits, it will lose its value just as an army is divided up into small units of soldiers. It loses its strength. The argument put above may be called as what? Analogical, deductive, statistical, causal. Correct answer will be analogical. Number 14. Given below are some characteristics of logical argument. Select the code which expresses a characteristic which is not of inductive in character. A is saying the conclusion is claimed to follow from its premises. B. The conclusion is based on causal relation. C. The conclusion conclusively follows from its premises. D. The conclusion is based on observation and experiment. What do you think? Correct answer of this question, it will be C. The conclusion conclusively follow from its premises. Number 15 is saying if two propositions having the same subject and predicate, terms can both be true but cannot both be false. The relation between those two propositions is called what? Contradictory, contrary, subcontrary, subaltern. So correct answer of this question 15, it will be number C, subcontrary. Next, number 16. Given below are two premises and four conclusions drawn from those premises. Select the code that expresses conclusion drawn validly from the premises separately or jointly. Premises are all dogs are mammals, no cats are dogs. Conclusions are no cats are mammals, some cats are mammals, no dogs are cats, no dogs are non-mammals. So 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 3 and 4 only, 2 and 3 only. So correct answer of 16, it will be number C, that means 3 and 4 only. 3 and 4 only will be correct. That means conclusion, no dogs are cats, no dogs are non-mammals. This will be correct. 17. Given below is a diagram of three circles A, B and C interrelated with each other. The circle A represents the class of Indians, the circle B represents the class of scientists, and circle C represents the class of politicians. P, Q, R, S represent different regions. Select the code containing the region which indicates the class of Indian scientists who are not politicians. So this is the diagram. Three circles are given, A, B and C, and all the periphery of three circles P, Q, R, S, this is given. Now we have to find out codes are like this: A, Q and S only, S only, S and R only, P, Q and S only. So you first repeat the question. I will not read it. You can pause the video and then read and then try to choose one option from the given option. So correct option will be number B, that is S only. Next number from 18 to 22, but for that we have to read this thing. Read the following table carefully. Based upon this table, answer questions from 18 to 22. Net area under irrigation by sources in a country 1000 hectares. So this is the year, this is the government canals, then private canals, then tanks, then tube wells and other sources total. So I will not read all this. You just take a look, or you can pause the video and then study it, then you move forward. But I will not wait here, I will move on, because you have the facility to pause and then read. Now let's move on. Number 18 is saying, which of the following sources of irrigation has registered the largest percentage of decline in net area under irrigation during 1907, 1908 and 2005 and 6? Government canals, private canals, tanks and other sources. Correct answer will be tanks. Number 19. Find out the source of irrigation that has registered the maximum improvement in terms of percentage of net irrigated area during 2002 and 3 and 2003 and 4. Government canals, tanks, tube wells and other sources. 19. Correct answer will be D, that is other sources. Let me mark it correct. I have done it. Now let's move on. 20. In which of the following years net irrigation by tanks increased at the highest rate? 1998, 1999, 2001, 2000, 2001, 2003, 4, 2005, 6. What do you think? 20. Correct answer of 20, it will be D, 2005 and 6. 21. Identify the source of irrigation that has recorded the maximum in incidence of negative growth in terms of net irrigated area during the years given in the table. Government canals, private canals, tube wells and other wells, other sources. 21, correct answer of 21, it will be government canals, that is A. 22 is saying, in which of the following years share of tube wells and other wells in the total net irrigated area was the highest? 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. So 22, correct answer of 22, it will be 2002 and 2003. Next, 23. The acronym FTP stands for what? File Transfer Protocol, Fast Transfer Protocol, File Tracking Protocol, File Transfer Procedure. 23, correct answer of it will be File Transfer Protocol, that is FTP. Moving on, 24. Which of the following is not an image or graphic file format? PNG, GIF, BMP, GUI. 24, correct answer will be GUI. But the rest are their image graphic format, PNG, GIF, BMP. 25. The first web browser is what? Internet Explorer, Netscape, World Wide Web, Firefox. 25, correct option of 25, it will be World Wide Web, that is www dot like this. 26. When a computer is booting, BIOS is loaded to the memory by what? RAM, ROM, CD, ROM, TCP. Correct answer 26, it will be B, that is ROM, read only memory, if I'm not wrong. 27. Which one of the following is not the same as the other three? MAC address, hardware address, physical address, IP address. 27, correct answer will be IP address. IP address is different. 28. Identify the IP address from the following. So you have to know what is IP address. In your own mobile phone, you can check it if you go to the internet section or in the Google, then you will get to know your IP address. 28. Correct IP address will be 202.50.20.148. That means now number C is correct answer. 29. The population of India is about 1.2 billion. Take the average consumption of energy per person per year in India as 30 megajoules. If this consumption is met by carbon-based fuels and the ratio of carbon emissions per kilojoule is 15 into multiply means 10 and above than 6 kgs, the total carbon emissions per year from India will be 54 million metric tons, 540, 500, 5,400, 2,400 million metric tons. 29, correct answer of it. Actually, according to my research, according to my official answer key quest, I have find out that 29, this complete question is wrong. Okay, but please do your own research too. 30 is saying, which one of the following cities has been worst affected by urban smog in recent times? Paris, London, Los Angeles, Beijing. 30, Beijing in China. Number 31, the primary source of organic pollution in freshwater bodies is what? Runoff urban areas, runoff from agricultural farms, sewage effluents, industrial effluents. 31, correct option will be number C, sewage effluents. Okay, that's all for today. Means not for today, for this video. We have done till 31. The rest video means the rest question we will try to do in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hello viewers, we have been solving some previous year question papers related to UGC NET paper 1. In that process, we have already discussed and solved 5 or 4 question papers, and today through this video we will try to solve one more question paper related to UGC NET paper 1, and this paper is 2013 June UGC NET exam. So the first question that we have got is, choose the proper alternative given in the quotes to replace the question mark. Bee honey, cow milk, teacher what? Intelligence, marks, lessons, wisdom. So if B is honey, cow is milk, then teacher will be number D, that is wisdom. Okay. Then number 2 is saying P is the father of R and S is the son of Q and T is the brother of P. If R is the sister of S, how is Q related to T? Let me repeat it. P is the father of R and S is the son of Q and T is the brother of P. If R is the sister of S, how is Q related to T? Wife, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, daughter-in-law. So correct option will be number B, that is Q will be related to T through sister-in-law. Number 3. A definition put forward to resolve a dispute by influencing attitudes or stirring emotions is called what? Lexical, persuasive, stipulative, precisions. A definition put forward to resolve a dispute by influencing attitudes or stirring emotions is called lexical, persuasive, stipulative, precisions. So the correct option will be number B, that is persuasive. It will be called persuasive. Number 4. Which of the quotes given below contains only the correct statements? Statements are like this. Venn diagram is a clear method of notation. 2. Venn diagram is the most direct method of testing the validity of categorical syllogism. 3. In Venn diagram method, the premises and the conclusion of a categorical syllogism is diagram. 4. In Venn diagram method, the 3 overlapping circles are drawn for testing a categorical syllogism. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 4. So the correct option for this question, it will be number B, that is 1, 2 and 4. Number 5. Inductive reasoning presupposes what? Unity in human nature, integrity in human nature, uniformity in human nature, harmony in human nature. So it will be number C, uniformity in human nature. Uniformity in human nature. Number 6. Read the table below and based on this table answer questions from 6 to 12. We have to read this table. Area under major horticulture crops in lakh hectares. So in 2005-6, fruits 53, vegetables 72, flower 1, total horticulture area was 187. In 2006-7, 56 fruits, 75 vegetables, 1 flowers, 194 horticulture area. 2007-8, 58 fruits, 78 vegetables, 2 flowers, 202 horticulture area. 2008-9, it was a year, 61 fruits, 79 vegetable, 2 flowers, 207 horticulture area. 2009-10, 63 fruit, vegetables, 79 flowers, 2. Total horticulture area is 209. Now, which of the following 2 years have recorded the highest rate of increase in area under the total horticulture? 2005-6 and 2006-7, 2006-7 and 2008-9, 2007-8, 2008-9, 2006-7, 2007-8. So the correct option of number 6, it will be number D, that is 2006-7 and 2007-8. Number 7 says shares of the area under flowers, vegetables and fruits in the area under total horticulture area respectively what? 1, 38 and 30%, 30, 38 and 1%, 38, 30 and 1%, 35, 36 and 2%. So it will be number A, 1, 30, 38 and 30%. Number 8, which of the following has recorded the highest rate of increase in area during 2005-6 to 2009-10? Fruits, vegetables, flowers, total horticulture. It will be number C, that is flowers. Flowers. Number 9. Find out the horticulture crop that has recorded an increase of area by around 10% from 2005-6 to 2009-10. Fruits, vegetables, flowers, total horticulture. It will be number B, that is vegetables. Number 10. What has been the share of area under fruits, vegetables and flowers in the area under total horticulture in 2007-8? 53%, 68, 79, 100%. Number B, 68% will be correct. Moving on, number 11 we have got, it says, in which year area under fruits has recorded the highest rate of increase? 2006, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10. It will be number A, 2006, 7. Number 12, WWW stands for what? It's a fundamental question, very basic. Work with web, World Wide Web, World Wide Web, World Wide Web. 12, you all know number C, World Wide Web. 13, a hard disk is divided into tracks, which is further subdivided into what? Clusters, sectors, vectors, heads. It will be number B, sectors. A hard disk is divided into tracks, which is further subdivided into sectors. Good. Now number 14. A computer program that translates a program statement by statement into machine language is called an compiler, simulator, translator, interpreter. It will be number D, that is interpreter. Number 12. A gigabyte is equal to what? A gigabyte is equal to number A, 1024 megabytes. Related to computer. Number 16, it says a compiler is a software which converts characters to bits, high level language to machine language to high level language, word to bits. 16, it will be number B, high level language to machine language. Number 17, virtual memory is what? An extremely large main memory, an extremely large secondary memory, an illusion of extremely large main memory, a type of memory used in supercomputers. It will be number C, an illusion of extremely large main memory. Number 18, the phrase tragedy of commons is in the context of what? Tragic event related to damage caused by release of poisonous gases, tragic conditions of poor people, degradation of renewable free access resources, climate change. It will be number C, degradation of renewable free access resources. Number 19 says Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is related to what? Ozone depletion, hazardous waste, climate change, nuclear energy. It will be number C, related to climate change. Number 20, which of the following is a source of emissions leading to the eventual formulation of surface ozone as a pollutant? Transport sector, refrigeration and air conditioning, wetlands, fertilizers. 20, it will be number A, that is transport sector. The smog in cities in India mainly consists of what? Oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen and unburned hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide and SPM, oxides of sulfur and ozone. It will be number B, that is oxides of nitrogen and unburned hydrocarbons. Number 22. Which of the following types of natural hazards have the highest potential to cause damage to humans? Earthquakes, forest fires, volcanic eruptions, droughts and floods. 22. Droughts and floods will be the correct answer. Droughts and floods. Number 23. The percentage share of renewable energy sources in the power production in India is around what? 2 to 3%, 22 to 25, 10 to 12, or 1 less than 1%. So the correct option will be number C, 10 to 12%. 24. In which of the following categories the enrollment of students in higher education in 2010-11 was beyond the percentage of seats reserved? OBC students, SC, ST, women students. 24. It will be number A, OBC students. 25 says, which one of the following statement is not correct about the University Grants Commission, UGC? It was established in 1956 by an Act of Parliament. It is tasked with promoting and coordinating higher education. It receives planned and non-planned funds from the central government. It receives funds from state government in respect of state universities. What do you think? So correct option will be it receives funds from state governments in respect of state universities. This is not correct. Okay, it is not correct. It is completely funded by central government. Number 26. Consider the statement which is followed by two arguments, number 1 and 2. Statement says, should India switch over to a two-party system? Argument says, yes, it will lead to stability of government. Number 2 says, no, it will limit the choice of voters. Only argument 1 is strong, only 2 is strong. Both the arguments are strong. Neither of the arguments is strong. So 26, correct option will be number C. Both the arguments are strong. Both are strong. Okay. Both are strong. Number 27, same question. Consider the statement which is followed by two arguments and means two arguments 1 and 2. Statement is saying, should persons with criminal background be banned from contesting elections? Argument says, yes, it will decriminalize politics. 2 saying, no, it will encourage the ruling party to file frivolous cases against their political opponents. Only argument 1 is strong, 2 is strong. Both the arguments are strong. Neither of the arguments is strong. 27. So correct will be only 1 is strong. Okay, only 1 is strong. What was the one? One was yes, it will decriminalize politics. 28 says, which of the following statements are correct about a judge of Supreme Court of India? A judge of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President of India. He holds office during the pleasure of the President. He can be suspended pending an inquiry. He can be removed for proven misbehavior or incapacity. So 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. 28. Correct option will be 1 and 4 will be correct. 1 and 4 will be correct. Let me mark it for you. 1 and 4. 1 was what? 1 was a judge of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President of India and he can be removed for proven misbehavior or incapacity. 29. In the warrant of precedence, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha comes next only to the President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, the Cabinet Ministers. It will be in the warrant of precedence, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha comes next only to number C, the Prime Minister. 30 says, the blackboard can be utilized best by a teacher for what? Putting the matter of teaching in black and white, making the students attentive, writing the important and notable points, highlighting the teacher himself. 30. Number C will be correct, writing the important and notable points. Through for this, the teacher can use blackboard. 31 says, nowadays the most effective mode of learning is what? Self-study, face-to-face learning, e-learning, blended learning. 31. C and D both are correct, e-learning and blended learning. Since you are also watching this video, that means you are doing e-learning and blended learning. Then blended means learning from your school, college, teacher, whatever. 32 says, at the primary school stage, most of the teachers should be women because they can teach children better than men, know basic content better than men, are available on lower salaries, can deal with children with love and affection. Number D is the correct answer. In the primary at the primary school stage, most of the teachers should be women because they can deal with children with love and affection. Okay, men, they lose their patience and uh, they can become aggressive. 33 is saying which one is the highest order of learning: chain learning, problem solving learning, stimulus response learning, condition reflex learning. 33, number D is correct answer. Condition reflex learning is the highest order of learning. Condition reflex learning. 34 is saying a person can enjoy teaching as a profession when he has control over students, commands respect from students, is more qualified than his colleagues, is very close to higher authorities. 34. 34 correct answer is B, commands respect for students. The rest are insignificant. Number 35, it says a diagram speaks more than 1,000 words. The statement means that the teacher should use diagrams in teaching, speak more and more in the class, use teaching aids in the class, not speak too much in the class. 35. 35 correct answer will be C, use teaching aids in the class. 36. A research paper is a compilation of information on a topic, contains original research as deemed by the author, contains peer-reviewed original research or evaluation of research conducted by others, can be published in more than one journal. It will be number C. A research paper contains peer-reviewed original research or evaluation of research conducted by others. 37 is saying which one of the following belongs to the category of good research ethics: publishing the same paper in two research journals without telling the editors, conducting a review of the literature that acknowledges the contributions of other people in the relevant field or relevant prior work, trimming outliers from a data set without discussing your reason in a research paper, including a colleague as an author on a research paper in return for a favor even though the colleague did not make a serious contribution to the paper. What do you think? 37. Correct answer of 37, it will be B, conducting a review of literature that acknowledges the contribution of other people in the relevant field or relevant prior work. Moving on, 38 is saying which of the following sampling method is not based on probability? Simple random sampling, stratified sampling, quota sampling, cluster sampling. Quota sampling will be the correct option. Quota sampling. Number 39, it says which one of the following references is written as per Modern Language Association MLA format: Hall, Donald, Donald dot fundamentals of electronics, New Delhi, Britain's Hall of India, 2005. So here I will not read all the options. Let me give you the correct option. 39 correct option will be D. In this way you have to write MLS citation: Hall, Donald dot fundamentals of electronics dot or New Delhi, Prentice Hall of India, 2005. This is the way. 40, a workshop is what? A conference for discussion on a topic, a meeting for discussion on a topic, a class at a college or a university in which a teacher and a student discuss a topic, a brief intensive course for a small group emphasizing the development of a skill or technique for solving a specific problem. 40, a workshop is number D. It is a brief intensive course for a small group emphasizing the development of a skill or technique for solving a specific problem. Number 41 says a working hypothesis is what? A working hypothesis is what? A proven hypothesis for an argument not required to be tested, a provisionally accepted hypothesis for further research, a scientific theory. It will be number C, a provisionally accepted hypothesis for further research. Number 42 to 47, we have to read this line. This passage, I will read the passage for you and please be careful. Many questions will be related to this passage. not only related, it is the upcoming questions will be based on this passage, so therefore you have to focus on each word. Now let me read it. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions 42 to 47. The Taj Mahal has become one of the world's best known monuments. This domed white marble structure is situated on a high plinth at the southern end of a four-quartered garden, evoking the gardens of paradise, enclosed within walls measuring 305 by 549 meters. Outside the walls, in an area known as Mumtazabad, were living quarters for attendants, markets, serai, and other structure built by local merchants and nobles. The tomb complex and the other imperial structure of Mumtazabad were maintained by the income of 30 villages given specifically for the tomb support. The name Taj Mahal is unknown in Mughal chronicles, but it is used by contemporary Europeans in India, suggesting that this was the tomb's popular name. In contemporary texts, it is generally called simply the Illuminated Tomb, Rose Munawwara. Mumtaz Mahal died shortly Mumtaz Mahal died shortly after delivering her 14th child in 1631. The Mughal court was then residing in Burhanpur. Her remains were temporarily buried by the grief-stricken emperor in a spacious garden known as Zainabad on the bank of the river Tapti. 6 months later, her body was transported to Agra, where it was interred in land chosen for the mausoleum. This land, situated south of the Mughal city on the bank of the Jamuna, had belonged to the Kachwaha Rajas since the time Raja Man Singh and was purchased from the then current Raja Jai Singh. Although contemporary chronicles indicate Jai Singh's willing cooperation in the exchange, extant Farman's imperial commands indicate that the final price was not settled until almost 2 years after the mausoleum's mausoleum's commencement. Jai Singh's further cooperation was ensured by imperial orders issued between 1632 and 1637, demanding that he provide stone masons and carts to transport marble from the mines at Makrana within his ancestral domain to Agra, where both the Taj Mahal and Shah Jahan's additions to the Agra fort were constructed concurrently. Work on mausoleum was commenced early in 1632. Inscriptional evidence indicates much of the tomb was completed by 1636. By 1643, when Shah Jahan was most lavishly celebrated the Ursh ceremony for Mumtaz Mahal, the entire complex was virtually complete. Now, since we have read it, now we have to solve the question. Marble stone 42. Marble stone used for the construction of the Taj Mahal was brought from the ancestral domain of Raja Jai Singh. The name of the place where mines of marble is Burhanpur, Makrana, Amber, Jaipur. 42. So the correct option will be number B, that is Makrana. 43. The popular name Taj Mahal was given by whom? Shah Jahan, tourists, public, European travelers. Very simple, European travelers. If you focus while you are reading, then the answers will be quite easy for you. Point out the true statement from the following. Marble was not used for the construction of the Taj Mahal. Red stone is not visible in the Taj Mahal complex. The Taj Mahal is surrounded by a four-quartered garden known as Charbagh. The Taj Mahal was constructed to celebrate the Ursh ceremony for Mumtaz Mahal. 44. The correct answer of it will be number C, that is the Taj Mahal is surrounded by a four-quartered garden known as Chaharbagh. 45. In the contemporary text, the Taj Mahal is known as what? Mumtazabad, Mumtaz Mahal, Zainabad, Rose Munawwara. 45. Correct answer will be Rose Munawwara. 46. The construction of the Taj Mahal was completed between the period 1632 to 1636 AD, 1630 to 1643, 1632 to 1643 AD, 1636 to 1643. 46 correct answer will be number C, that is 1632 to 1643 AD. Number 47 says the document indicating the ownership of land where the Taj Mahal was built, known as what? Farman, sell deed, sell purchase deed, none of the above. It will be number A, that is Farman, Farman. Farman. Okay. Next question is 48. It says, in the process of communication, which one of the following is in the chronological order? Communicator, medium, receiver, effect, message, medium, communicator, message, receiver, effect, communicator, message, medium, receiver, effect, message, communicator, medium, receiver, effect. What do you think? 48 correct option will be C, that is first communicator will come, then message will come, then medium will come, then receiver will come, then effect will come. Number 49, it says Bengal Gazette, the first newspaper in India, was started in 1780 by whom? Dr. Annie Besant, James Augustus Hickey, Lord Cripson, A.O. Hume. 49 correct answer will be James Augustus Hickey or Hickey. Okay, next question. Number 50. Press censorship in India was imposed during the tenure of the Prime Minister who? Rajiv Gandhi, Narasimha Rao, Indira Gandhi, Deve Gowda. 50. Number B is the number C is the correct answer, that is Indira Gandhi. You all know about emergency of India. When emergency was implemented or declared at that time, many newspaper, mass media were censored. 51. Communication via new media such as computers, teleshopping, internet and mobile telephony is termed as what? Entertainment, interactive communication, developmental communication, communitarian. 51 correct answer will be number B, that is interactive communication. 52 says classroom communication of a teacher rests on the principle of what? Infotainment, edutainment, entertainment, enlightenment. 52 correct option will be edutainment. Education plus entertainment. 53 dash is important when a teacher communicates with his or her students. Sympathy, empathy, apathy, antipathy. 53 number B, empathy is required. Otherwise the teacher will be very angry, he will lose his patience and he may be utterly aggressive and violent. That's why empathy is needed. 54 is saying in a certain code GALIB, Galib, is represented by HBMJC, then the tiger TIGER will be represented by what? UJHFS, UHJSF, JHUSF, HUJSF. So 54 correct option will be UJHFS. First will be the correct option. 55 says in a certain cricket tournament 45 matches were played. Each team played once against each of the other teams. The number of teams participated in the tournament is what? 8, 10, 12, 14. It will be number B, that is 10. Okay, 10 is the correct answer. Number 56, the missing number in the series is what? 40, 120, 60, 180, 90, and then question mark 135 is 110, 270, 105, 210. 56 correct option will be 270. 57, the odd numbers from 1 to 445 which are exactly divisible by 3 are arranged in an ascending order. The number at 6th position is what? 18, 24, 33, 36. It will be number C, that is 33. 58 is saying the mean of 4 numbers ABCD is 100. If C equals 70, then the mean of the remaining numbers is what? 30, 85 by 2, 170 by 3, 110. 58 correct answer will be 110. 59 is saying if the radius of a circle is increased by 50%, the perimeter of the circle will increase by what? 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Correct option will be 50%. D is the correct option. 60 is saying if the statement some men are honest is false, which among the following statements will be true? Choose the correct code given below. All men are honest, no men are honest, some men are honest, some men are not honest, all men are dishonest. 1, 2, and 3, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 3, and 4, 2, 1, and 4. What do you think? Correct option will be 60s. Correct option is number B, that is 2, 3, and 4. This is the correct option. Okay, let me do it once more. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 means no men are honest, some men are not honest, all men are dishonest. These all are okay, but all men are honest. This is not okay. Okay, that's all for today. I have solved one more question paper for you. I hope it will be quite beneficial for you, and keep on doing your work, keep on practicing, stick to the syllabus. Okay, stick to the syllabus. Thank you so much. Hello viewers, I have been discussing some question papers related to UGC NET paper 1, and in my last video I have only done till 31 from previous year question paper, and in this video I will try to finish that question paper. And this question paper is 2014 June UGC NET paper 1. So 32 number question is Lahar, Lahar. Lahar is a natural disaster involving what? A. Eruption of large amount of material. B. Strong winds. C. Strong water waves. D. Strong winds and water waves. 32. Correct answer will be A. Okay. A is the correct answer. Number 33, it says, in order to avoid catastrophic consequences of climate change, there is general agreement among the countries of the world to limit the rise in average surface temperature of Earth compared to that of pre-industrial times by what? A. 1.5 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius. B. 2.0 degrees Celsius to 3.5 degrees Celsius. C. 0.5 degrees Celsius to 1.0. D. 0.25 to 0.5. So the correct answer of this question, it will be 1.5 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius. Next, 34, it says, the National Disaster Management Authority functions under the Union Ministry of what? Environment, Water Resources, Home Affairs, Defense. So it will be now number C. It works under Home Affairs. Number 35. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. We have two lists. In list 1 we have flood, drought, earthquake, and then volcano. In list 2 we have lack of rainfall of sufficient duration, tremors produced by the passage of vibratory waves through the rocks of the earth, a vent through which molten substance come out, excess rain, and uneven distribution of water. Now you tell me what will be the correct answer. Try to choose one option inside your mind, then I will tell you the correct answer now. So the correct answer of 35, it will be A. That means with that means A, flood is related to 4, excess rain and uneven distribution of water. And B1, B, drought means lack of rainfall of sufficient duration. C2, earthquake, tremors produced by the passage of vibratory waves through the rocks of the earth. D3, volcano, volcano is related to tremors, a vent through which molten substances come out. Done. Okay, let me mark it. Okay, done. A. Next we have is, which one of the following greenhouse gases has the shortest residence time in the atmosphere? Chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. 36. Correct answer will be number C, that is methane. Number 37. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer from the code given below. Rajasthan receives the highest solar radiation in the country. India has the 5th largest installed wind power in the world. The maximum amount of wind power is contributed by Tamil Nadu. The primary source of uranium in India is Jaduguda. 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 and 4. What will be the correct answer of 37? Correct answer of 37, it will be 1 and 4 only. Only 1 and 4. Let me read it again. One was Rajasthan receives the highest solar radiation in the country. That is true. And the primary source of uranium in India is Jaduguda. 38. Who among the following is de facto executive head of the Planning Commission? Chairman, Deputy Chairman, Minister of State for Planning, Member Secretary. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be 38B, that is Deputy Chair. That is Deputy Chairman. 39. Education is as a subject of legislation figures in the union list, state list, concurrent list, residuary powers. 39. It will be education as a subject of legislation figures in the concurrent list. Concurrent list means it will be a matter of uh, dual responsibility, means both center and state will work. If I'm not wrong, please verify it. Number 40, it says which of the following are central universities? Pondicherry University, Vishwa Bharati, HNB Garwal University, Kurukshetra University. Select the correct answer from the code given below. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 4. So correct answer of number 40, it will be A. Yes, A means 1, 2 and 3. These all are central, but the Kurukshetra is state university. Next, 41. 41 says, considered a statement which is followed by two arguments. Number 1 and 2. Statement says, India should have a very strong and powerful Lokpal. Argument says, yes, it will go along in eliminating corruption in bureaucracy. 2. No, it will discourage honest officers from making quick decisions. Quotes are like this: only argument 1 is strong, only argument 2 is strong, both are strong, neither of them are strong. So what do you think? 41, correct option will be only argument 1 is strong. Next is which of the following universities has adopted the meta university concept? Which of the following universities has adopted the meta university concept? Assam University, Delhi University, Hyderabad University, Pondicherry University. 42, it will be number B, Delhi. Meta. Okay, meta university concept. 43, which of the following statements are correct about a central university? Central university is established under an act of parliament. The president of India acts as the visitor of the university. The president has the power to nominate some members to the executive committee or the board of management of the university. 4, the president occasionally presides over the meetings of the executive committee or court. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1, 2 and 4, 1, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So correct answer will be 1, 2 and 3. 4 is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Next question, 44. Which one of the following is considered a sign of motivated teaching? Student asking questions, maximum attendance of the students, pin drop silence in the classroom, students taking notes. 44. Students asking question. This is called, or this can be termed as a sign of motivated teaching. 45 says, which one of the following is the best method of teaching? Lecture, discussion, demonstration, narration. 45, C, demonstration means when you try to show or display the students what you are teaching or what you are trying to give them through your knowledge or through your experience, whatever. 46, dyslexia is associated with what? Mental disorder, behavioral disorder, reading disorder, writing disorder. 46, it will be reading disorder. Okay, that is called dyslexia. 47 says, the e-content generation for undergraduate course has been assigned by the Ministry of Human Resource Development to INFLIPNET, Consortium for Educational Communication, National Knowledge Commission, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Correct answer of this question, it will be number B, Consortium for Educational Commission. Sorry, communication. 48 says classroom communication is normally considered as what? Effective, cognitive, effective, selective. 48, it will be effective. Classroom communication is normally considered as effective. Number C. 49, 49 says, who among the following propounded the concept of paradigm? Peter Haggard, von Thunen, Thomas Kuhn, John K. Wright. Sorry for the pronunciation. 49, correct answer of it will be Thomas Kuhn. Thomas Kuhn. 50. In a thesis, figures and tables are included in what? The appendix, a separate chapter, the concluding chapter, the text itself. Correct answer will be D. In a thesis, figures and tables are included in the text itself. 51 says a thesis statement is what? An observation, a fact, an assertion, a discussion. 51, it will be C. A thesis statement is an assertion. 52. The research approach of Max Weber to understand how people create meanings in natural settings is identified as what? Positive paradigm, critical paradigm, natural paradigm, interpretive paradigm. So 52, correct answer will be interpretive paradigm. 53 says, which one of the following is a non-probability sampling? Simple, random, purposive, systematic, stratified. It will be number B, that is purposive. 54. Identify the category of evaluation that assess the learning progress to provide continuous feedback to the students during instruction. Placement, diagnostic, formative, summative. 54, correct answer will be number C, that is formative. 55 says the research stream of immediate application is what? Conceptual, action, fundamental, empirical research. 55, correct answer will be action research. 56, here from 56 to 60,